Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So, welcome back, friends. This is the final part of episode 1 of Friends. Today, you will learn the last 7 phrases from this episode. Let's finish strong. So, Rachel says, I need to get up and get dressed. It means she has to prepare herself. You can use this when you are about to go out or start your morning routine. Rachel says again, guess what? This is used when you want someone to be curious about your news. You can say this before telling a fun story or surprise. So Ross says, I honestly don't know. It means he truly doesn't have the answer. You can use this when someone asks a question and you want to be sincere. Again, Ross says, it's been a long day. He means the day has been exhausting. You can use this after school, work, or any busy day. Monica says, don't be nervous. It means relax, everything will be fine. You can use this when a friend feels worried about a new job, a test, or speaking in public. Again, Monica says, can I get you something? It's a polite way to offer food or drinks. You can use this when hosting visitors at home. Ross says everything is gonna be fine. It means he believes things will work out. You can use this to give support to a friend in a tough situation. So, congratulations, you just finished learning 25 phrases from episode 1 of Friends. You can now use these phrases in daily conversations. So, get ready. Episode 2 is coming next with even more English learning. See you soon. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, comment, and share. Allah Hafiz.